multiple languages like English, Russian, and Latvian. So I went for English. So let's start. Visa type, Schengen visa. Place of submission. So do you do as per your case? I'm doing India. Embassy. Okay. Application language, English. Now all the information you see here is going to be sample. Surname at birth, if different, but it's not mandatory. First name, John. So be very careful with the date format, but I think it's advisable to use this kind of tool. I mean, date picker, so that there's no problem. Place of birth, check your passport. Country of birth, I didn't know. Current nationality, uh, nationality birth if different. Okay, other nationality. Well, India does not support dual nationality, so it won't apply. Gender, yes, single. In case of minor, surname, first name, address, if different from nationality. Okay, this we don't have to. National ID document, identity number. So in India, you get PAN card and Aadhaar card, so that you can use. Type of travel document. So I'll say ordinary passport in most of the cases, because not everyone is gonna get diplomatic passport. Date again, you got to be clear. Issued by country. Personal data of family member who is an EU citizen. So this only applies. Okay. Family relation with EU citizen. No, place of residence. This is for you. Location, state, country. Okay. So I'll just put Delhi. Street, house name, postal code, your email address. Provide correct email address. Don't do like this. Phone number. Residence in a country other than the country of current nationality. I select no. But let's say if you're Indian national living in Canada, then you will usually yes and provide the information. Current occupation. Wow. Employer for student, name of educational. So your company name, where your employer. Address and phone number. Main purpose of the journey. Okay. Provide full information as you can. That's what you're gonna do. This will strengthen your case. Member state of destination. So because it's a Schengen, that's why. Member state of first entry. Other member states of destination. I'm leaving in blank, but if you have definitely intent date of arrival. So remember the processing time was given. So I'll give still sufficient time. Date of leave. Fingerprint previously applying for a Schengen visa. I select no, but if you have done, definitely provide that entry permit for the final country of destination. So you're coming back to India, right? So definitely it's not applicable. Surname of inviting person in the member state. If not, name of hotel, temporary accommodation. Yes. Let's say you're using at a hotel A, address of the hotel. So hotel address you definitely know if you have done the booking. Postal code definitely you know. It will be on your booking receipt. Email, of course, it may have a contact email. Why not? Who doesn't have those nowadays? Name of inviting, this is not applicable. Cost of traveling and living, the applicant say who is gonna cover. Means of cash, traveler's check, credit card, prepaid, transport. Wow. So okay, fine. So I'll just say 6 place. I'll say Ellie, you haven't signed it yet. Save application. Oh, surname of the if not, you have a hotel. Uh, hello. Okay, perfect. So it's created. What you're gonna do, download. You can send it by email also. You need to print directly print here, and you need to sign and carry that you had seen in the checklist. So that is how things works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. But wait, before I end, I remember we talked